Hello everyone, wish you guys a very happy Diwali in advance, and I wanted to create this short video to show you guys what I did and how I decorated my house this Diwali so that you guys can get some ideas and easy things to do for the home. So most of my things are purchased either from Amazon or Home Center, and I will leave all the links in the description below so that it's easy for you guys to just check on the link and purchase whatever you want. And this is not sponsored at all, so let's keep this year the Diwali simple and make the most of the time with our family and friends. And yeah, let's begin with this video. Let's go. I'm going to start today with our main door area first. I will move our shoe rack to the other side of the door and create some space to decorate with a quick rangoli. I'm also going to add this artificial plant here, which was in my bedroom earlier. Now I'm going to hang this artificial garland on the door. I loved this one since it has some bells hanging and it looks so real. Let's make the rangoli. I have used a ready-made one this year. It's super easy to assemble and makes a quick yet absolutely beautiful piece to add to your Diwali decor. I will also surround it with a garland and put some diyas in between. And my little peaceful corner is done. Let's get inside the house. This is the entrance area of my house. So now I'm going to decorate this space quick. It's a shoe rack, so I'm going to place a table runner on top of it. I have chosen this dark pink color to suit the season. Now I'm going to add a brass tray, and on that I'll place few decor pieces. Here I have a tea light candle holder and a LED battery operated light. I will also add a scented candle and a garland to complete the look of the tray. I'm also going to add this Buddha hand tea light candle holder, which was there somewhere in my house, so I decided to put it here to make the entire place look put together. Now let's move on to the TV cabinet area. Here I'm not going to do much. I have just added few pieces. These are all tea light candle holders. To complete the look of this space, I will switch this on and add a garland, and that's it. Let's move on to the coffee table now. I will remove all the current decor and store it in a curtain, and I will place it back once this festive season is over. I usually try to reuse my festive decor for the coming years too, so storing them for later is a good idea and cost effective too. I have added this bowl to the table and now I'll fill it up with water. These are artificial petals that I got from Amazon and I think it looks gorgeous and very elegant on the golden bowl. Also, time to change the cushion covers on my sofa. I got these dark pink cushions to match the runner and the look for Diwali. My home is generally decorated in neutral colors. Those who have seen it in my videos would already know, so I'm loving this pop of color for this festive season. How can I miss decorating my mandir? Here's my mom doing puja and my dad helping her to put on the LED lights. I got this beautiful door hanging from Amazon which I would use it in my mandir as an ornament. This is our living room door. I'm going to hang this garland. It was a set of 5 that I got. Along with that, I will also hang this beautiful candle holder which I thought was a perfect find for Diwali. I'm going to do the same thing on both sides of the door. I also got this gorgeous diya stand from Amazon and I'll add this to this area of my house. And for the last one, let's move to the dining table. Keeping it simple, I'll just add a table runner, again in dark pink color to match the rest of the decor in the house. To that, I'll add this golden lantern and add a battery operated tea light candle in it. I will also surround it with a garland to complete the look of this space. Parth is also fixing the lights in the balcony. The best part of Diwali is the decor and the festive feeling we get looking at them. I still remember how excited I used to be when my father used to decorate our house with mini bulb lights, and it would instantly make everything seem so much better. And here's the final look. So wish you all a very happy Diwali again. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I really hope you liked the decor ideas, which was really simple and quick for the busy people who can't afford too much time on decorating the home but still want to do something for Diwali. Here you go. So that was all for today. Until next time, see you guys. Bye.